In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into your KrisFlyer account. Now, KrisFlyer account is also known as Singapore Airlines. So let's just start with the video. What you need to first do is you need to open up your browser and search for KrisFlyer. After you do so, you need to click on the KrisFlyer website, and then this page will load up. After this page loads up, here you can see on the top right, you'll see two options: sign in and sign up and login. You need to click on the login option. After you click on the login option, you'll get this login pop-up. Here you need to type in your email address, or if you have your KrisFlyer number, type in that. But here let's just go with the login. After you type in your login email ID, just type in your password. Now, after you type in your password, you can either click on remember me so that the browser remembers that you have logged into your account, and it might be easier for you on your next login. If not, you can just not click on remember me. After you do so, just click on login, and you'll be able to log into your KrisFlyer account. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Bye bye.